Okay, in this tutorial I want to show you how to do quite a complex query. We'll do the query on the call type in the example that we've been working on so far. So you need to go to the table contact records and we'll need to pick call type. The first thing we'll need to do is put some data into our database. So I've showed you this before, so I'm very quickly going to make a new combo box. I've prepared it earlier. You can see it's got the value, it's a combo box, it's got the value list, and I've just put in close with sale and close with no sale. Those are the two criteria that our queries are working on. The next thing, if you look at our datasheet view, I put some data in already. They're all based in April, and I've also got a query that's in February, and that's with a sale. So that's data I've entered already. That's something that you need to prepare for. Once we've done all of that, we can make a new query. To create the query is create and then query wizard. A simple query wizard will do, and then it'll ask us what table we want. I prefer to take all of this data across and untick what we don't want. If we are doing a table on the contacts record, and there's the call type that we'll need to query on there. So we'll take all of that across. Once we've done that, it'll ask us what title do we want for our query. Well, we're going to use proper naming conventions, so we'll be query QRY underscore, we'll call it close with sale, and we'll finish that, and you'll see that we've now got a query made here. When I run that query, it's got 1, 2, 3, it's got 4 there, and it's picked everything up because I haven't put any criteria in there. If we actually if you go to the design view of the query, and you see, even though we've done a query, we've called it close with no sale. We haven't put any criteria in. So the call type, if we put in close with sale, and now we run our query, it's gone down to 3 and it's only picked our close with sales. So that's exactly the result that we wanted to see. What you can see is that one of our sales happened in February. Now we may only want to pick sales that happened in April. So to do that, we need to make our query a little more complex. So what we need to do is pick the sales call date, and we need to put in, for this particular query, anything that's more than or equal to, but we need to put in a hash as well. Anything that's more than or equal to 1st of April 14, ended with a hash. So anything that's more than or equal to the 1st of April and is less than or equal to hash the 30th of April 14th 2014. We click that. We've now got a criteria in. So if you run our query again, we've only got 2. It's dropped out our April field, so that's fine. Incidentally, we may want to tidy this query up a little further and get rid of ID and perhaps get rid of date of next call. That's straightforward to do. Untick this box, untick this box, save the query, run it again, and it's tidied it up for you. So that's just a quick lesson on how to do a query. This is more complex, something that you'll need to put into your assignment, and this is more of a straightforward one. You need to do at least four more queries for your assignment, and there's things like close with sale, close with no sale. You could do a query on packages that are gold, packages that are silver, packages that are bronze. these are all packages that somebody probably would want to do anyway. There's a likelihood that Mr. Manger would want to see how many people have a gold package, how many people have a silver package. He might want to, in the future, target all the people with a silver package and try to upgrade them to gold. So that's the end of this lesson on creating some queries. The next part, I'll turn this into a report. Thank you.